There are so many things, I think, that differentiate us from others. One word to sum that up would be care. The care that we have for our customers, the care that we have for our team members.
We strive to do quality work so that we don't have to come back. We strive to give a friendly family atmosphere so that they feel comfortable inviting us into their home and inviting us back into their home if they want some more work done. And we strive to make them feel like we were never there. I want the customer to feel satisfied with my work, but more so feeling that they didn't have a worker come in their house. They had a friend come in and do work for them.
Our residential team can do projects such as come to your house, hang a ceiling fan. We can renovate your house if you're doing a bigger project. We can handle those as well. With our commercial projects, one of the things that's a problem industry-wide is manpower, communication, schedule, availability of parts and supplies right now. The number one thing I would say that we do to try to deal with some of those industry issues is just communication. Problems are going to come up. We got to get ahead of them as far as we can and just communicate the impact of that on your specific project. My faith plays a big part in how we conduct business. From starting the company was a leap of faith to really promoting a culture of caring, a culture of integrity. My faith really drives those foundational principles that we built the company on.
I hope customers walk away feeling extremely satisfied and positive with their experience, and also knowing that if there is an issue or if they need something else, they can always call us and we'll make things right or give them extra service, whatever they need.
Here at Thompson Electric, our core values define who we are. We could be just any electrical company, but we're not just any electrical company. Our core values help us determine who are we going to be. Everything that we do out in the field is just a reflection of who we are. We want it to be right as best as we can make it, and whenever we make mistakes, we want to fix them quickly.